Hello guys, today I wanted to talk with you about this app called Pogso. This is AI code editor, and maybe you heard about it and thought that I should try it, but some people say it's a little bit hard. So today I wanted to talk with you about three simple rules that can keep it simple for you and make it very easy to work with. So the first rule is actually explain. Thor to Corso like a bright kid or a very talented Superman, but baby Superman. So you can do a lot of things, but you need to talk with it with sharing, caring, and very simple terms. And don't get emotional, just keep going. Iterate is actually the same way, but about continuing to work with it. So it's not always get the first result the same way you wanted it, but you just need to keep going, keep talking with it, keep communicating, get emotions out of it. And the third rule is actually commit, save every milestone. And there are professional ways to do it, but today I want to show you a simple way so you can start from scratch. So let's say we have this cursor up. We installed it already on our computer. And first thing we need to do is actually create a new folder. Let's create a snake game. Uh, Snake game. Because I think everybody has some understanding of what snake game is, and we can make it look pretty good. But again, you can make any kind of app you want with it. So, like you see from the start, there is here are our folders, same game. Here is would be the coding appearing, different files, and here is the chat. And the chat is the main instrument how it can work with the cursor. So let's just start typing. Like I want to make a snake game. Like you see, it's very easy thing to do. Of course, there are, like I said, professional ways to do it. Like create some rules, create some formulaic rules, specifically tell it which technology we want to use. But we get there in some time. We can start from very simple things like just talking with it, and it will do it work. And like you see, it's created this index HTML files. Let me increase this window. So index HTML is basically a skeleton of our app. It creates the main content of the web page you will see. Now we're creating style CSS. Style CSS is like makeup or the skin and the colors that we add to our skeleton, so it will look good. And now we're creating a JavaScript file. JavaScript is actually code itself, the main brain of the app and the main logic. And of course, we can't be sure that this code that the cursor is creating is the like pinnacle of coding or the best example of coding. But like I said, it doesn't work. For the first iteration, it's pretty good. And we can certainly improve it from this point and going further. So let me explain what's happening. The cursor is generating the code, and all you have to do is just wait. If you don't like something, like you can see, I can reject some changes, but I recommend you to do it on the second step, not on the first step. And then, what else can we do? I can see from this point that actually it's created a very big logic, and there is pretty high chance that something will go off. But like I said, it's totally okay. We can change it and fix it a little bit later. So now it's created a README. README is basically a file for a professional programmer, so we could understand what's happening. Okay, now I have our final message. I think I just have to accept it all and start this app. And how you start an index.html file, you just open it in your browser. So here we are. Like I said, it's not a like a professional software that we can sell to anybody, but it doesn't work. So yeah, we can see that I can play. Okay, so what we have? We have some version of app. I'm not happy with how it looks like. For example, when we move our arrows, we can see that the screen is moving too. But like I said, we just keep iterating, and in the final result, we get something we want. And let me just show the final rule. We can just copy and paste. So we'll have some version of this app. And if something will go wrong with the coding, we can just get back to this previous version. It's not the professional way of doing it, but like I said, it does work. So I hope you will be encouraged with this, and you will try to make some coding and and get some fancy results. See you in the future.